only 10-hour workday, which actually is very little. Yesterday I worked for like 14 hours.
Why I'm not going to college, why I'm not going to university.
I just took an insane trade with the Discord. Let's freaking go, bro. Entry 1.6, exit plus 110%.
This is my boy's house that where I'm surfing at. It's pretty sick.
You know what? It doesn't matter how I feel. It's what I know I have to do.
And I'm not stopping. I'm not stopping. I haven't even gotten started.
Good morning, it's PB here, and it is currently 6 a.m. Today, I'm taking you guys through a realistic day in the life of an 18-year-old millionaire who just graduated high school and is not going to college. So, I'll also be going over why I'm not going to college and stuff like that. So, every single morning, I wake up 5:30, go to the gym, I go to church. So I'm not taking the Lambo today. I'm not taking her today. I'm just gonna take the Mercedes. That's what I usually take every single day. I'm gonna sleep on her though. She's still a beautiful car. Today, I did not want to wake up. I literally was so tired. I went to bed kind of late. You know what? It doesn't matter how I feel. It's what I know I have to do. And I know I have to go to the gym today. You know? So I'm still here. You guys probably think like, dude, you're 18 years old, sleep in, enjoy the life. But like, my goals are too big for me to not go and get it every single morning. And if I don't go to the gym now, I literally don't have time. I work all day. So this is my split. It's chest tries, back buys, legs, shoulders. And then today I'll probably do chest back, and tomorrow I'll probably do arms, shoulders. Something odd about me, it's very different from other people, is when I'm driving to the gym and driving places, I don't really listen to music. I listen to audiobook. I love it. It's really, really good. I'm trying to read 6 to 7 books this summer. I have 2 down already. So yeah, it's really cool. Just like, even if necessarily you don't have time to read, or you don't enjoy reading, or you have tough time reading, for me that was never the problem. But I just feel like I get books done a lot faster when I'm just driving and listening to them instead of listening to music. And like, listening to music is useless, but you know, listening to audiobooks is bettering you. So the goal every single day for me is just make myself better, upgrade my character. I'm going to the gym, I'm listening to audiobooks, I'm working, I'm making money. And 1 second, I'm about to crash. I literally cannot see anything out of my windshield. Alright, let me drive safe, get to the gym, talk to you guys now. Look at how beautiful the sky is this morning. It's gorgeous. My mom used to always say, when the sky is like red, like this, and pink and orange and just beautiful in the mornings, it's because God is painting. And I love it. I love it. Nature's so beautiful, so peaceful. Just finished my workout. This is what the physique is looking like currently. Very consistent. Same thing with trading, same thing with business. I show up every single day, whether I want to or not, and this is what the results have been. I used to be super, super skinny, and you know, now my body is looking a lot better. Sorry, just finished the gym, about to head to church. I want to make something clear in this video, is that this video is not going to be like me doing crazy stuff. This is the truth of what it looks like to be an 18-year-old millionaire. It's not fun, it's boring most of the time, but I like boring. Like, this is the stuff that I like to do. I'll show you guys something cool though. In my parking lot, there's always like crazy cars. I mean, like, this is just like walking, you know, G-Wagon, Range Rover, G-Wagon again, Porsche, Ferrari over there. It's usually a lot crazier. Maybe some people decide to sleep in today, another Range Rover. It's cool because like, you come later in the day, there's not these cars, but in the morning is when all the rich people are getting their work in. So I want to be with them, you know. I just checked my previous swing that I sold, right? I sold this swing small loss. This morning, the stock had crazy news. The stock is up 43% pre-market. My contracts would have been up about 4,000%. It's about 100 grand. I wasn't that heavy in that one. But yeah, so that stuff happens to me as well, but it's okay because we follow our plan, and that basically never happens. So I'm not going to let it affect anything in the future. We're going to keep sticking to the strategy that we know works in the long run.
Drive our demons without cost you have received without cost. You are a gift.
Okay guys, just got to the office, showing you guys it for the first time. New weights. I'm still building my content room, so I have some supplies and stuff here, but this is it. Yeah, James over there. Some desks. Conference room. This new camera I just bought. And then got a kitchen, and this is where we're gonna be. This is gonna be a content room, a little podcast, stuff like that. We're gonna be doing some in-person trainings in the conference room. And then this is my office. Got the PB license plate. It's crazy I have my own office. Then I got my acai I just got, and just about to watch the market. I actually just checked, and I sold my 80 contracts on my main account, but on my swing account, my long-term one, I actually held 20 contracts. So I have a pretty good day.
Lyft and Uber.
We're on
And you're in
Discord
the
right
mountains
now.
of Europe.
It's me and Shadi. We're on live watching AMD. Had a nice price upgrade. Hood has some relative strength. SPY I'm also watching. Meta was very strong yesterday. I'm watching it for a day 2 ripper. IWM has a good daily setup. So let's see what happens. Hi guys, so I forgot to record, but basically I traded, then I ate, and went to Best Buy to get a lens for my camera. They didn't even have it, but I took 2 trades today. One trade on AMD where I took trims at 30, so I entered at 1.2, trimmed at 20%, trimmed at 35%, then got out the rest on my trailing stop loss. And then I took a Tesla trade, $1.60. I just took some trims at 30%. Stops and profits on the rest, so we're risk free. So 2 for 2 on the day. Very nice day. And yeah, that's really it. Again, it's boring. It's 2:09 p.m. I also had a couple meetings that I had to take, and I'm just working. Bro, I just took an insane trade with the Discord. I entered calls right here in this VWAP retest with light size, and then I held it all the way up, just sold them for 110%. As you could see, entry at 1.6, exit plus 110%. Let's freaking go, bro. Oh my gosh, I had some real guts on that one. I had some conviction. I held it and just caught it for 110% in the gap. Wow. And if you could tell, I'm sweating how hot it is in my freaking office right now. 5 p.m. and I'm still working, making some content, just hopped off a call. Yeah, we're going to talk about in a little bit later, we are going to talk about why I'm not going to college, why I'm not going to university, whatever you want to call it, and it's going to get serious. So. I just realized I needed a lens for the camera, which was a reason that it wasn't it was giving me problems. Like, yo, why can't I see anything in the camera? I was like, oh, I need a lens. So I just bought this lens. It was like $800. The camera itself with the package is $4,500. So I spent $5,300 on this camera, literally just to make better YouTube videos for you guys. So I promise you guys, the content is gonna get better and better. Stay tuned. But right now it's about 6 p.m. I think I'm about to leave the office and then go home, eat, work a little bit more. I might play pickleball with my brother. I don't know yet. Also, my friend asked me if I want to go to dinner. I don't know if I'm going to do that either. So we'll see where the night goes, honestly. I do have to make a couple more posts, and I want to scan the market for tomorrow. Today was a sick trend day, which we'll get some good setups tomorrow, hopefully, if we get some continuation. So I have to scan no matter what, and everything else, we'll see. But I'm going to head home from the office. Right now, it's about 6 p.m. Yo, screw a BMW. BMW can never. Just look at the interior in the AMG, bro. It's beautiful. Okay guys, so I got home, ate, and I've been working for about like an hour and a half. I scanned, I see some crazy setups. Coinbase could be a good one tomorrow, we'll see. And MSTR with these crypto names ripping. So those are a couple that I'm watching. And also Tesla's in the gap. So you guys are probably seeing this video a different day, but that's kind of what I'm seeing in my head right now, just so you guys get an idea. And I'm actually about to, so I'm done with work. I worked from 9 to about 6 and then stopped about 9 hours, and I just worked for another hour and a half. So only 10-hour work day, which actually is very little. Yesterday I worked for like 14 hours. I'm actually about to go on the lake now, so we're gonna go surfing. One of my friends just called me, you don't want to go. We'll play some footage of that, and then after we have a very serious talk to have about why I'm not going to college. So see you on the lake. This is my boy's house where I'm surfing at. It's pretty sick.
Yeah,
Yeah, it should be fun.
Setting for me, envy and jealousy. It's everything I wish upon my enemies. All that for them, right back at them. What my mind keeps telling me, I hear everything.
Okay, it was a sick day, but now I want to talk to you guys about why I'm not going to college, why I'm not going to university, and why I don't think it's the right thing for me. When I started this whole trading stuff, I knew that I wanted to be something more than just work a job, and I knew that college wasn't for me. I knew that school wasn't for me, even though I was good at it. So I told my parents, I said, Mom, Dad, I don't want to go to college. And at first I was like, what do you mean? What do you mean? And then I convinced them. I said, Mom, Dad, if I make over $1 million before I graduate high school, and again, like this is when I had nothing going for myself, you know, all I knew was I wanted to trade, and I just knew I wanted to be successful, and I had a couple grand to my name. I said, Mom, Dad, if I make over $1 million before I graduate high school, do I have to go to college? And they said, PB, if you make over $1 million, by the time you graduate high school, we won't make you go to college. And I made over $1 million in high school. I had many ups and downs, but I did it. And then, you know, a deal's a deal. But this is not to show you guys like, oh, I made over $1 million, made multiple millions. But the point is that if you guys want something, if you guys like are trying to convince your parents you're gonna make it trading and this, that, start showing them with proof. Start showing them with results. Stop showing them with empty promises. I proved to my parents I could do it, and I made that money, and I showed them. And then they, you know, deal's a deal. You know, you did it. You proved to us that you could do it, and you don't have to go to school. But stop just having empty words and prove it to them. In my opinion, college just wouldn't be good for me because first off, I know what I want to do and I'm doing it. Second off, I'm building my business, I'm building my brand. Third off, I just think I have a higher ROI going and building more businesses and scaling my business instead of going and learning business from somebody who doesn't even own his own business. I just think that ROI is so much higher of just trying yourself and learning from your mistakes. Unless you want to be a doctor, a lawyer, something like that, I just don't think college is worth it. It's great if you want to have fun and party and even network, but for the other things, I don't think it is. And I'll be honest with you guys, I applied to a couple colleges. I wanted to see if I would get in, which is crazy because I had like a 4.1 GPA. You know, I had crazy things in my resume. I donated tens of thousands of dollars. I made millions of dollars in high school, changed thousands of people's lives, built a following of over 500,000. And I only applied to like 2 Ivy League schools. And believe it or not, I got denied to both of them. And I think that's because they don't want people that like have a voice themselves or they could see like can go wild. Like I don't just fit in with the crowd, you know. I don't. I do what I think is right and I do what I want to do. And I'm ambitious and I want to be an overachiever and I'm always go, 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 go. And you know, like you can't plant things into my brain like the Matrix. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, I think that is a reason why. But at the end of the day, I'm not going to college. I don't think it's the right thing for me. I think I have a much higher ROI doing what I'm doing right now and going and pursuing my dreams. And this is just a start and I'm gonna make so much more money and I'm gonna help so many more people and I'm just going to freaking be the biggest, and I promise you guys I will. And I'm not stopping. I'm not stopping. I haven't even gotten started. Like, I have such big goals and such big plans. You guys are gonna see, I promise you. I've documented my journey all on social media and I'm still in my beginner phases. I'm only 18 years old. I have such a head start. I started when I was 12 years old and now I have like this, like, I have so much ahead of me and so much I'm excited for and so much that I want to do and so much that I'm going to do, which is why I won't be going to college. And you know, well, my friends and them, they're gonna be going to college. I wish them all the best of luck. It's just not for me. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the boring, realistic day in the life of an 18-year-old millionaire. Subscribe, like, comment if you enjoyed. I love you guys. Peace.